Hi guys, I want to do a quick video. This video is on how to do more pull-ups. And here's the tip that I want to give to you, and that is develop your strength first, endurance later. And the way I suggest for you to build up your strength foundation is to use a slam ball to do weighted pull-ups. And your goal is to do between 1 and work your way up to 5 repetitions using a slam ball to make the pull-up more difficult. I'm using a 10-pound slam ball. This is too light for me. I should be using a 40 or 50-pound slam ball. But the way I would use it is I would grip it between my knees or my thighs, and my goal is to do 5 repetitions. Now if I wanted to do a drop set, I would just release the slam ball and continue doing repetitions. Okay, that's the strength foundation. And what I recommend is doing sets of 5 with weights, with a slam ball, taking at least 3 to 5 minute rest intervals in between. And that will give you enough time for your body to flush the lactic acid out of your muscle cells. Then after you mastered it, it's going to take a couple weeks to build up a good strength foundation. Work on your endurance. And what I recommend is doing max repetitions. And you want to do this once in the morning and then again once at night. And this will give you a good 10 to 12 hours rest intervals in between, which will allow your body to recover. Now if you do that, and do this every other day, which gives enough rest and recovery for your body to adapt and to strengthen your muscles by growing larger, you'll find that your numbers will increase. That's it, that's a tip. Build up your strength first and develop your endurance later. Thanks for watching.